Hi, welcome to this YouTube video. In today's video, we will learn about lists in the Python programming language. Python lists are an essential data structure used to store multiple items in a single variable. They are ordered, changeable, and can contain duplicate values. To create a list, we simply enclose our items in square brackets and separate them by commas. We can access individual items in the list using their index, which starts at 0. For example, to access the first item in the list, we would use 0 index. We can also do negative indexing, which starts from -1, then -2 and goes on. Negative indexing basically means to start from the end and go towards the start of the list. Now let's talk about some built-in method for lists in Python. To determine how many items a list has, we can use the len method, which will return the length of the list. We can add an item to the end of the list with the append method. We can also insert an item to the specified index with the insert method. To remove a specified item from the list, we can use remove method with the item. To remove items from a specified index, we can use the pop method with the index, which, if not specified, then it will remove the last item in the list. The sort method sorts the list alphanumerically in ascending order. We can also reverse the order by specifying reverse is equal to true in the method. We can also join two lists by simply using the plus operator. We can loop through a list by using the for loop as shown in the image. So this was some basic info about lists in Python. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more such short learning videos.